guys, it's me, the Cubby's Nubby. And sorry I haven't been posting recently. It's just like I've been busy and stuff, like at my class. And I've been playing Fortnite. If you guys want me to record that, I could. But so I went to Target today and I found this. It's the new flip fence thing. I don't know how different it is, because it's heavier weight, easier tricks. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me open it. Oh geez. Oh my. Just look at that. That looks cool. It's green. This one is limited edition, so I got it. Oh my, it's heavy. Whoa, it's so much heavier. Oh my, it's so much heavier. I'm assuming this is at least half a pound. And then, wait, let me get my other one. Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh my. It's so much. Oh, this one kind of hurts. It weighs so much, but it kind of hurts. Oh, it's cool, but I don't know which one is better. They're both cool, but this one doesn't hurt as much, because this one, if it hits you, it hurts because it's heavy. There's nothing inside, but this one is like cooler, I guess, because there's like designs on it, and compared to this one, there's like no designs. And then, but this one, I think this was like 1 pound, and then there's a huge difference of mass, so I don't really know, to be honest, but see, this one weighs like so much less, but this one, let me see, yeah, you could do, it's easier to do tricks with. Oh geez, I messed up. Yeah, it's easier to do tricks with, but yeah, I'm thinking of doing, okay, yeah, it's pretty different. Yes, I can't. Well, I guess it is easy to do tricks, to be honest, but yeah, you can't really. Oh yeah, I just realized there's like a design on the top too. Right on here, and then there's no design on the back though. Wait, why is there no light on there? Is it just me? Is this supposed to be a light? In the comments below, tell me if you think there's supposed to be a light here, because I don't really care about the lights. Oh, but it actually hurts. Let's see. Yeah, I caught this. Yeah, it's pretty hard to catch. Yeah. But it's heavier. I like it, but I don't like it. It's weird. Yeah, this one is good, but I guess they're basically equal. But it's like Thor's hammer. Like, it's kind of hard to wield. But I really like it. Thank you, friends, for making this. But that's cool. I like, good idea to make another one. Yeah, so I like it, but it's just really heavy compared to this one. I wish I could show you guys how much heavier it is, but I don't really know how. Yeah, I don't know how. But this one is just heavy. You guys have to believe me for once. But, yeah. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. But I might be doing a giveaway. But, no, I'm sorry, but only people in the U.S. But, like, you could, like, get it from the U.S. But then, like, ship it to yourself. But I don't think you would want to do that. I'm pretty sure you guys could buy this. I got it at Target. It's like in the like thumb chuck style. Oh, I like that. Yeah, thumb chuck style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great time, and yeah, bye. Yeah, so bye. I hope you please like and comment and subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and bye.